In this video, I'll show you how to use Lexis and Westlaw's copy with citation features to quickly retrieve information that you need to cite a case. As you're looking at a case on Westlaw, at the top of the screen, you'll see information on all of the print reporters that publish the case. Here, for example, this is a California Court of Appeal case, so it was published in the official California Appellate Reports. Additionally, it was also published in West's unofficial California Reporter. Embedded within the case, you'll see page numbers that indicate the start of each page for each reporter. Here, for example, we'll see a page 190 with a single star, and we'll see a page 807 with a double star. Because the California Appellate Reports version of the case starts on page 186, and the California Reporter version of the case starts on page 804, we know that the 190 and all of the single-starred pages must indicate the start of pages in the California Appellate Reports. Meanwhile, the page 807 and all of the double-starred pages must indicate the start of pages in the California Reporter. So here, for example, if we want to cite to these two sentences, we know that they appear on page 190 of the California Appellate Reports version of the case, and pages 806 to 807 of the California Reporter version of the case. A very quick way to save all of this information is to use the database's Copy with Reference feature. Whenever you highlight text, the Copy with Reference feature should immediately pop up. The default option is Standard, which roughly approximates the Blue Book style that's commonly used in law school and in the federal court system, and is allowed to be used in the California state court system. If you click the down arrow, you'll see options for different styles to copy the citation information in. For example, you can select California to copy the citation information in the California Style Manual style that's commonly used in California State Court. Here, let's stick with the standard style, and let's click Copy with Reference. The text will be copied to your clipboard, and from there you can simply go into your Word document and paste the text in. And you'll see it will give you all of the citation information for all of the reporters, including the specific page numbers. Now, it's important to realize that this will not be perfectly Blue Book formatted, and you need to go through and do some cleanup to make sure that it meets the exact formatting requirements of the Blue Book or of the California Style Manual. However, all of the basic information that you need to cite the case will be there. However, there is one specific issue that you need to be aware of on Westlaw. Westlaw's Copy with Reference feature typically fails to provide footnote numbers. Here, for example, we're citing some text from footnote 1. We'll go ahead and click Copy with Reference, and then we'll go ahead and paste it into our document. You notice that we have the correct page number that the footnote is found on, but it doesn't indicate the specific footnote. So we need to go through and manually add in N1 to indicate footnote 1. Otherwise, however, Westlaw will typically provide you with all the information that you need to Blue Book the case. The Copy with Citation feature works similarly on Lexis. As you look at the top of the page, you'll again see citations to all of the print versions of the case. Here, for example, you'll again see the citation to the official California Appellate Reports version of the case, with a single star, indicating that its page numbers will be marked with a single star. Likewise, you'll again see a citation to West's California Reporter with a double star, indicating that its page numbers will be marked with a double star. Again, within the case, we'll see that the start of each page and each reporter will be marked by starred page numbers. Here, the page number 190 with a single star indicates the start of page 190 in the official California Appellate Reports, and the page number 807 with a double star indicates the start of page 807 and the unofficial California Reporter. If we want to quickly capture all this information, all we need to do is highlight the text that we want to copy, and then click Copy Advanced. Just like Westlaw, Lexis will give you the option to choose between multiple formatting styles. So you can choose Standard Style, which will roughly approximate the Blue Book citation style, or you can choose California Style, which will roughly approximate the California Style Manual style. Here, let's go ahead and select Standard and hit Apply. Lexis also provides you with an additional option, which is to choose which reporter you want to include in your citation. Typically, the Blue Book requires you to cite only the National Reporter System version of the case. In contrast, California Rules of Court require you to cite California cases to the official reporter, with the option of also citing the National Reporter System version if you choose to do so. By default, Lexis will provide citations to both reporters. So if you want to follow strict Blue Book style, make sure to go up here and uncheck the Official Reporter option. Lexis will automatically update the citation to show only the citation to the National Reporter version. Similarly, if you only want to cite the Official Reporter version in California State Court, simply uncheck the National Reporter System option, and Lexis will automatically update the style to show only the citation to the Official Reporter. Once you've customized the citation, you can go ahead and copy it. And from there, you can simply go into your Word document and paste the text in. Again, this won't necessarily be perfectly formatted according to the Blue Book or California Style Manual, and you should always double check against the actual Blue Book or California Style Manual. However, it will provide you with all the information that you need to cite the case, including the page numbers and including footnotes if you're citing a footnote. This makes the Copy with Citation feature a very quick, easy way to gather all of the information that you need to format a case.